Hey food enthusiasts, welcome to the brand new series on Garment Chat Culinary Creation with Chat GPT. I'm your host Brandon Bowman, and today we're diving into the world of flavors with cooking with Chat GPT. You can ask Chat GPT for recipes, cooking techniques, or even your own personalized meals, suggestions based on your preferences. Now let's talk about the star of the show, the recipes. ChatGPT serves up a variety of flavorful creations that cater to different tastes and preferences. From savory to sweet, we got something for everyone. Cooking is not just about following the recipes, it's about mastering the art of the kitchen. With ChatGPT, you will discover valuable cooking tips and tricks to enhance your culinary powers. Are you ready to turn your kitchen into a culinary heaven? Well, with ChatGPT as your guide, we're about to embark on a delicious journey. Let's get cooking. Here's me using ChatGPT to ask for his best recommendations for an Italian dinner. There's multiple different Italian dinner dishes out there that I would like to eat, but I want the best one for me and my family tonight. And I asked it to please provide me his best recommendations. And it gave me spaghetti and margarita pizza. Those are two of the most iconic dishes that you could ask for Italian dishes. But I don't know how to make these dishes, so I asked ChatGPT to provide me with the best Italian recipe and instructions to do so. And then here is the list it provided me with, and also the instruction on how to cook them. It is literally was easy as 1, 2, 3. Hey there, everyone. Here's me using ChatGPT to ask questions of how I can improve my taste buds within the kitchen, as in kitchen utensils, different seasonings, and recipes. And as you can see, ChatGPT is providing all these great flavors, as in cheese, infused oil, nuts and seeds, fresh herbs, and more to help improve my taste buds within the kitchen that my family will enjoy on a daily basis. Whether you are a cooking novice or a seasoned chef, ChatGPT has you covered. Get ready to impress your taste buds and elevate your culinary skills. And there you have it, folks. Garment Chat Culinary Creation with ChatGPT. Get ready to explore, experiment, and savor the joy of cooking with our fantastic culinary companion. Don't forget to subscribe for more saving tips using ChatGPT. Happy cooking, everyone.